Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your order on the Domino's app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First is to open up your Domino's app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. And now you should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. And now when you have actually placed an order on Domino's app, and you regret it and you want to be able to cancel the order, where will it is actually possible. But you need to be very quick. You need to click where it says My Account, and then you will need to tap on My Orders. And then here, what you're going to do is to find the contact details of that specific store that you purchased from. And if your order is confirmed, you're going to call them right away. So call them, and then ask them to cancel your order, because as of right now, that is the only way that you can actually do so. There will probably not be a cancel button for you. Unfortunately, after you have placed an order, you have to call to the store and make sure that they actually cancel their order. And that's why you need to be fast. So if you're fast, then you're able to do so. But if it's been like a couple of minutes, maybe then unfortunately it's going to probably not work. So that's basically how you can cancel your order on the Domino's app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.